Good morning, it's Thursday the 13th of January and this is your daily outlook. The euro edges higher, supported by heightened risk appetite. Euro edged higher today for the fourth straight day ahead of the Spanish and Italian bond auction later today. A successful debt auction in Portugal a day before lowered the yields and calmed the markets, helping the single currency touch a one-week high at 131.43 against the dollar. The single currency was last trading at 131.28 versus the dollar. The European Central Bank and the Bank of England will reveal their interest rate decision today. The euro is supported by talks that the Eurozone finance ministers will raise the rescue funds available for the Eurozone countries for the possibility of seeking financial help. A significant increase in the rescue funds eases investors' debt contagion fears, but eyes turn to today's European Central Bank's meeting and the possible steps for helping Eurozone's periphery bond auctions. The euro is also supported by talks that China and Japan will help the Eurozone through the debt crisis, helping the euro rise above the 131 level. The dollar edged lower today, suffering a four-day loss weighed by the heightened risk appetite in the currency markets. Retail sales are expected on Friday that can give further sight of sustained recovery in the world's largest economy. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar slid, falling as low as 82.93 from 83.13, and speculation expects it to retest yesterday's low of 82.80. The dollar rallied against the Swiss franc as demand for the safe haven franc lowered, rising as high as 0.9747 from 0.9660. The Australian dollar fell versus the US dollar after jobs data showed employment in December improved less than expectations. The Aussie fell to $0.9914 after the data from $0.9964. However, the poor employment growth is mainly due to less people looking for employment. Gold edged slightly lower today as higher risk appetite reduces demand for the precious metal. The safe haven metal was last trading at $1,385 an ounce from $1,388.88 an ounce. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 131.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 131.45. The dollar yen pivot point is at 83.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 83.95. Today's calendar of market movers: UK's interest rate decision is forecast at 0.5%. Europe's interest rate decision is forecast at 1%, and US initial jobless claims is forecast to drop 402,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive on Wednesday with the SP 500 trading up 0.90 and the Dow was up 0.72%. European bourses were also positive with the FTSE up 0.61%, the DAX was up 1.83% and the CAC was up 2.15%. The time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.73 and the Hang Seng was up 0.58%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.